Hi everyone. So in this video, I'm going to attempt to show you how to create a QR code for your presentation. And so I'll start by sharing my screen. And so what I've done here is I've just created a simple Word document with the title of my presentation and some information about, what viewers will see when they click on my QR code. And I'd like to insert my QR code onto this flyer. But first, I have to open my PowerPoint presentation. So I'm going to go ahead and look for that and share that with you. So um, let me move this out of the way. So this is my PowerPoint presentation here. You can see it here, right? And at the top of the PowerPoint presentation, you see this box that says add-ins on the right. I'm going to use this for my QR code maker thingy. So I'm going to do a search for QR code, and then you're going to see QR Office, QR for Office, a first of a kind QR generator. I want to add that to my PowerPoint so that I will be able to generate a QR code for my PowerPoint presentation. And so now when I click on that, it gives me this option where I can insert my URL that'll connect it to this PowerPoint. But I have to now take a step back and make sure that I save this PowerPoint in OneDrive so that I can create a link to it that I can, put in this box. So my next step now is I'm going to go to my OneDrive account, and I'm going to do that um, by logging in to my U of M email. So I'm going to go to my Memphis portal where I think I'm already logged in. Go into my email account here. And so when you're in your U of M email account, you have these three dots that'll take you to OneDrive. And so we see OneDrive here on the menu. I'm going to select that. And then I'm going to upload my file from my laptop to my OneDrive. So this is the name of the file that I want to upload. I could find it in my documents and then go in my presentation folder, and there it is. So I open that. It says this file is in use because it's currently open, so I guess I'll have to go and close it. So I'm going to close it, and then I'm going to try to upload it again. Oops. So I want to create an upload, a file upload, and there it is, open. So now it's telling me that a file with this name already exists. I want to replace that file. And it said it's in there. So we can see it here on my screen, or if I don't see it here, I could go to my files, and then I can see that I have a copy of my file now in OneDrive, but it's listed as private. So I'm going to have to change the settings so that I could share it with others. So I'm going to click on this share button. And once I click on the share button, then I'm going to click on the settings, this cog wheel. And I want this file to be viewed by anyone who clicks on the link. So anyone who has the link can click on the file, but I don't want them to edit the file. So I'm going to change this to they can view the file. So anyone can view the file if they have the link. So I'm going to apply those settings. So once those settings have been applied, I can now copy the link and you can see the pop-up confirms that anyone with the link can view it. So I'm going to copy that link. So now that the link is copied, I'm going back to my PowerPoint presentation. So I'm going to go back to my files on my computer. I'm just going to get out of OneDrive here, clear these things from my screen, and just open my PowerPoint. Give me a minute to do that. So remember, we added in the QR office and we've now created a link. So we can just stick that link in there by pasting it. Now, when we paste that link, we want to make sure that we don't have HTTPS twice because it's already here. So we're going to delete that part of it so that we're just left with the link and the HTTP key information is already there. And so now this is a preview of my QR code. I can adjust it if I want to make it a little bigger, or if I want to change the background and give it some color, I can do that as well. But I'm going to keep mine at black and white just to keep things simple. Oops, no, I just made it black. Oh, what did I do? Just keep the background white. And there's my QR code. I'm ready to hit insert. And so there's my QR code. It's inserted in my PowerPoint document. But remember, I want to put this on my slide. So I'm going to right click this and then I'm going to copy it. And now I'm going to open up my flyer and I'm going to place my QR code right here by pasting it. First, let me delete that. And there is my QR code. It's ready to go. And in the next video, I'll show you if it works.